Continuation from earlier, here in first exercise, few new things are introduced. After main in this program, there is a line with the word float, which is one of the variables to be discussed in future. The thing to learn in this exercise is called scanf statement after the first printf statement. Scanf is used in association with printf statement to take inputs from the user on being asked to output the same on screen. User's input is then followed by a resultant printf statement for a program task depending on user's input. So, the program here follows the scanf statement with a calculation of variables depending on user's input. The scanf statement's input place is always reserved, firstly before closing double quote in the preceding printf statement, and secondly in the scanf statement itself, after opening double quote and before conversion character. The input is then captured and assigned to a variable by using ampersand symbol with defined variable. The %f conversion character is one of its kind, which is used differently for fraction numbers. %f conversion character in particular is further elaborated in the next exercise. Now move on to second exercise. In this exercise, %f is shown in its typical usages as conversion character. Alongside %f, there are other conversions characters, namely %d for integer numbers, %c for alphabetic and symbolic characters, and lastly, %s for words and sentences. But first %f for being most important of all. F in %f means floating point, and it is used for fraction numbers. If it is used as it is, and without any modification, it outputs a floating point fraction number with up to 6 places after the period or point by default. If %f is modified with any number smaller than 6 after the point in it, the output becomes a fraction number with up to that number of places after the point, as is specified. Moreover, the next place after the specified number of places gets rounded off to specified number of places after point. For output, it neither requires the number to be enclosed in single quotes as required 4%C, nor in double quotes as required 4%S. Detailed usage of conversion characters is shown in next exercise, also with escape sequences. This third exercise, conversion characters discussed earlier, is shown in practical usage also for escape sequences. Escape sequences are statement modifiers for some restricted characters and operations at the time of use. Because some characters and key operations cannot be incorporated like others in the statement. For example, if single backslash symbol is required to be written in a statement, double backslash symbols are to be written back to back. Similarly, if single quote mark is required to be written, it has to be written like backslash single quote mark back to back. Same with double quote mark. For new line, backslash n is to be written. For backspace, backslash b is to be written. For tab, backslash t is to be written. For computer's bell, backslash is to be written. That's all for today. If this video is found helpful, please do like and subscribe to this channel to support more of such videos in future. Thanks for watching.